Technology Transfer Office that is responsible to manage all our university's intellectual properties as well as commercialization activities. We welcome all partners that are interested to explore technology development with us and as well as licensing opportunities in various universities' technology domains, including the engineering, life sciences, medicals, ICTs, green tech, as well as digital tech. Today, I would like to introduce to you one of our signature programs, the UMDT program, UMDT. In UMDT, we bring university technologies from the lab to the market. UMDT is a unique accelerator program that consists of 24 weekend classes as well as a hands-on market validation study. The selected startup projects will also participate in an external pitching program where they will gain insights and also experience in preparation towards their final demo day. So why are we doing this? We aim to enhance our university's entrepreneurial values as well as to nurture more university startups involved in deep technologies through a guided structured programs, financial support, and also mentorship.
UMDT, it is giving the opportunity to researchers to be an entrepreneur themselves.
What's nice about it is you really feel like a family, because you go through this program with a group of people who are also like you, who want to know, and there's always a very nice interaction and exchange of idea, tips and recommendation.
You will definitely grow your mindset in this program because you will get to learn a lot of new things and you get to experience a lot of new things in this program.
I think this is very good programs and actually can be turned into a micro credentials program as well.
I joined this program by having a startup in my hand that I need to lead, that gives me a goal to make sure this startup needs to be success, needs to be known, and I want all people know what we are capable of. That's how UMDT changed me.
I think the module is suitable for any researchers who do not have experience to conduct any commercializations or startup business.
But what I can say is that not only is the module important, the trainer is very important.
To a certain extent, we understand each other, we understand each other's difficulties.
To create a very strong teamwork and a very friendly environment, whereby we all work together as researchers and co-founders. We all attend our classes and the courses together.
Has given a lot of exposure, especially I remember there were a lot of workshops and seminars. From time to time, I think they were like, invited speakers who would come and give talks, briefs.
UMDT program, the most interesting part, right, is the how to identify the market, right? Looking at the niche market.
My advice is we should looking at the opportunity outside the comfort zone that we have.
Researchers who are on the fence in looking of ways to bring their product to the greater people, this is an opportunity for you to explore the possibility of bringing your startup to market.
We are launching UMDT 2021 very soon, and if you are interested to partner with us, please drop us an email.